Look over there. Union Pacific, and this is a 7301 Union Pacific. And the time is
6:47.
I should come around here at 4 on council next time. And this is a GS Type 1 or 2. I think it's a GS Type 2 e-bell, and these are all Western Cullen Hayes second generation LEDs. I think, yeah. And the cantilevers are Lindsay. And here's the view of the overhead lights. Ooh, I wonder if there's any imported cars in there. Yep. Yep. Even though I'm kind of shaky right now, it would be easier if I have my own car with me. It'll be a lot easier if I have my car with me. But into the summer, I can go beyond Oklahoma City, right? Perhaps. I should probably reconsider getting a new computer next time. And Aurora gate lights as well. Aurora LEDs, yeah. Yep. Yep, it's Aurora gate lights. That most crossing around this subdivision have Aurora gate lights. Well, at least I got the 10th Street video. At least I got the old video though from since I was in middle school. I don't see anything in it. Well, looks like there's no imported cards there. Yep, there's no imported cards. It's a mixed breed. Alright. If it's separated, we're gonna be uh-oh here. And cut the video out. If the train's separated from the movie, then we'll be a big uh-oh here. Period. I hope. It'll be a lot easier if we have a tracker on the computer or on my phone. Alright.
Okay. Got it?
Yep. I'm gonna wait until the signal turns off. I think I have my old videos like last year, but with my mother.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Go.
Here's the